Hey, the bone. It's Teddy. Hey, Daddy. Alright, so we're in San Felipe. Yesterday we left, came down here, got here late last night. Beautiful place. Just really nice place. But today we're gonna pick up and we're gonna travel even further south. Didn't record a lot, went through an emotional state. I go through it once in a while. You meet really good people and great situations, and my lifestyle can't keep anything. And it's hard sometimes. And sometimes it just takes me a minute to get over things. But yeah, it's beautiful here. It's been a beautiful time. San Felipe. And we're headed south. We're just gonna roll. We're gonna roll. I'm gonna make Scott do something that he don't like to do, maybe. Camp in the middle of nothing. He's not liking that idea. Not at all. But with that being said, we'll see you down the road. We're going to start rolling out here. Teddy boo! Look at this. We are about 75 miles south of San Felipe in the Baja, Mexico. Just wow. I mean, just wow. Oh my. Teddy Bone's birthday was yesterday. He had a great time. Great time. I got him a chicken dinner and a steak taco. But alright. So here we are. Look at that. Yeah, sunset. We're about, what do you think we are? 100 what? From last night?
Oh, about 100. I don't know.
170? But yeah, that's about it. About 170 miles south of San Felipe. Out here in the desert. Not Scott's choice by a long shot.
No, we only went like 137 miles.
Oh. But we took our time. It was an enjoyable ride. And this is where we're going to squat for the night. I got my tent right there.
There's the wilderness.
And
hopefully
Scott's tent right there.
By any rodents or...
So we're on a little bit of a watch. We're looking around. I kind of surveyed the area. I didn't see no prints or anything, but everything seems really cool. I get it. There's going to be mountain lions out here, and there's going to be wolves, coyotes, and numerous other things that crawl in the dark. So yeah, this is where we're going to bed down tonight. So we'll see you in the morning. Good night. Alright, so here we are, made it. Made it through the night.
Eric didn't have any doubts.
Scott did alright.
I did alright, I slept good.
He did alright.
Except for my mattress.
But
deflating on me.
Another beautiful life out here in the middle of nothing. And how could you go wrong with that? My life will lead me into some of the biggest parties in the world. And then I see this. This is where I go. This is, clears my mind. And you get this. Be it the woods or the forest or out in the middle of the desert. And it'll give you what you need. Very few people ever get to do it because they fear too much. They fear everything around them. But once you drop that fear, you will start to experience life and all that it has. Fear is nothing but a cage that you put yourself in. And when you get out of that cage, this is what you'll find. And with that, we'll see you down the road. Out of paper. I'm out of cigarettes.
Huh?
I'm out of cigarettes, I'm out of papers, and I found a can. Life in the middle of nothing. You do what you got to do. Kind of out here in an abandoned area. And a dog. But there is some places up here. A couple houses, some shit. This is an abandoned area. Here's the problem. Yesterday, I hit a really big pothole. Oh man, just unforeseen. You can see how they drive on the wrong side of the road because that's the amount of potholes. This is the military driving through. And the military driving through, they're guarding that truck. It's got fuel on board, I think. Anyway, all these potholes, and it's really bad. I mean, it's just a really bad area. This is what it did. It's got it squared off right there a little bit. It's just, it's not in good shape, I'll tell you that. Whew. I'm gonna have to beat that back down in there. And that's gonna take some work. So it's just I gotta be careful. That could be a blowout, and I gotta be careful, but I gotta make it somewhere where there's something to help me. Either we'll take it off and beat it back into place with the slow heat. We don't have too many options. That's what it is. Abandoned gas station, a bunch of abandoned houses. See, they had a cook station in here.
You camped here. Not tonight, but
We could have camped here.
look, put up 2 tents in here.
Oh yeah, we could have had a good time in here.
I don't know about a good time, but
I mean, a good camp. Somebody was hoarding up in here. They were boarding everything down. Looks like they were trying to make a bed right there. can see it right there. See how all the rest of it nice and round. Nice and round right there. Not good. Not good at all. What are we, 70 miles out?
84 kilometers, 40, 50 miles.
About 50 miles. 50 miles out.
Hey, if it's not a problem right now, it's not going to be a problem unless you hit a pothole and make it worse. You have to hit it in the exact same spot.
Yeah. So that's the problem. Teddy over there in the shade. So now it's super careful. Super careful. We gotta get somewhere where we can bang that back out. See how everybody's moving over into the other lane, to the oncoming traffic lane, because the crater's in the ground. Some of them you can fit a 5-story apartment building in. That's what got me. Anyway, Houston, we got a problem. Something's happened. Let's see what it is. People are getting off the road. Okay, so here we are. We're gonna try and bend this back in. Look how bad that is. Try that 300 pesos. I gotta go. I gotta walk to a bank or a store or something. I think the lay's up here. Wow. I can't believe I did 100 miles on it like that. Shoot, my hand actually starts to go numb. Huh. If you keep it under 50 miles an hour, my hand goes numb. 55, and it's risky, I know, it could kill me. I'll just take a little bit to blow that out, but when you're in the middle of nowhere, you gotta do what you gotta do. Sometimes that's what you gotta do. This guy here with me. Thankful he's here. I mean, if something would have happened out in the desert, I would have been stuck there for a little bit. Anyway, We're gonna go get some pesos and come back down here. They say this is a very common thing down here. It's these roads are not the best. That's what the city road looks like. It's worse than that up the road. Anyway, we'll see you. Alright, so here we are, it's morning time. Guerrero, Negro. Daddy, here. Here. Hey. 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 Just a normal day in Mexico. Look at street dog. Street dog just goes. They shut down the road whenever they want, have a little parade. The cops get involved and they just shut it down. Every day can be a festival for anything. Just the way it is. It's like that all through Central America.
We're not in Central America.
Huh?
We're in North America. We're in North America.
We're in North America?
Yes.
How's that?
Mexico is part of North America. So is Canada. So is the U.S. South America is a different continent.
Central America.
Central America is south of us. South of Mexico.
Really?
Yeah. Central would be Ecuador.
It's the same. No,
Colombia.
Ecuador is South America. Central
It's
America.
whatever's in between, but it's not Mexico. Mexico is North America. Norte.
Same thing happens all the way through. This happens all the way down to Panama.
Are they done?
You let somebody have a birthday down there and they fill the streets with the shit.
The one on top of it too. The one on top is also. Teddy. Teddy. Teddy.
Teddy.
Here we go. What you doing? What you doing? Working on your truck?
From Germany. That's some shit. It's cool. Look at this thing. That's cool.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
necessary.
Yeah.
Then actually you have no chance to come directly to the engine. So when you can flip over the driving cabin, so it's easy. Yeah. You
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's a good idea.
Yeah.
So you're just pumping a hydraulic pump.
Yeah. Exactly.
Then it gets so far and it just pulls itself.
Yeah. That's true. Yeah.
It's a hell of a machine.
It's a 6-cylinder straight. 6-cylinder
Mm-hmm.
straight, 7 liter.
Mm-hmm.
About 280 horsepowers and 2,200 torque.
Oh wow.
A lot.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But at the moment I have big problems, so the motor mount are broken.
Oh shit.
Yeah. And the motor is coming down about 1 inch. And the vent, it's
Oh yeah.
scrapping here. You can see
Yeah.
not turning anymore. And so we have ordered spare parts from Germany
Mm-hmm.
to the States. And actually a friend of ours want to pick it up in El Centro, bring it down.
Oh yeah,
to
okay.
Guerrero, Negro.
Mm-hmm.
But the spare parts stock in the custom in Los Angeles, and we have no way to get it out because they needed a EIN number or a IRS number or a social security number, and we have nothing from these numbers. So because we are from Germany and traveler,
Ah.
and so we need a, I would say, emergency solution.
Mm-hmm.
So my idea is to cut out from an old tire pieces like this size,
Okay. Yeah.
lift it up the engine.
Yeah, and lift it up,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
then slide them in,
Exactly.
shim it in.
Yeah.
Is it which side is it? Just on that side?
On both sides, left and right.
Oh, both of them are out.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh shit. So you have, I'm not the only one with problems. I just bent the rim on my Harley over there. I
Okay.
had to get that fixed.
Yeah. But so I have, I can take a hook like here
Mm-hmm.
and lift it up, so I can bring up the motor a
Mhm.
little bit,
And then shim it.
and then this is on this place, on the other side the same. So maybe it's easy to bring in like a spacer, a rubber spacer or so in this size, an inch. And I hope we can drive for the next, I don't know, 10,000 miles with this solution. We will see.
Where are you headed?
South
Mm-hmm.
to La Paz. But we
Mm-hmm.
want
Me
to-
too.
Yeah, okay, but we want to come the same way back.
Mm-hmm.
And so the question is, bring it back to Germany, or I don't know. So we'll see what has happened with the solution. Yeah, it's not a easy time for us now.
Yeah, I've been through it.
Yeah.
How long have you been on the road?
We started last May 2023. And last year we want to spend also the winter time on the Baja, and we were in close to the Mexican border, and my brother-in-law was text me. So my sister passed away from one day to the next day, and my mother was in the hospital at this time, and so it was necessary to fly back. We stored the motorhome in Las Vegas and come back to Las Vegas this year and started again our trip, you know.
Yeah, right on.
Story.
Alright, so we're gonna stay here another day. Guerrero, or whatever the hell it is. Negro. Anyway, we're down here at the laundromat. 40 pesos to wash. You can see the fire. 40 pesos. And I'll be in clean clothes again. This is the last of my clean clothes right here. I picked up 2 more pairs of shorts somebody gave me. Pretty nice and really light. So, and they don't take much room in the pack. Plus it gave me more days. More days without washing clothes. So that gives me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 outfits. Well, 5 pairs of shorts. I still only got a couple shirts, but it is what it is. Yeah, so we're gonna do that. There's Teddy out for the ride. And
Thing doesn't always shut off.
Alright, here we are.
Use the auto, you know.
Today we're leaving. What's the name of this damn place?
GN. Guerrero Negro.
Guerrero Negro. Anyway.
My GPS says Guerrero Negro.
That's what mine says.
Guerrero Negro.
Negro. Anyway, we're gonna get packed up here. But made coffee, making breakfast, got some apples boiling, got the oatmeal and the raisins all ready to set it up. And coffee's already done. But today we pack up and we're heading
San Ignacio for the Moto Turismo and La Baja 2nd annual meetup. And Eric's already met 3 of the dudes. And there's a whole bunch more, so he'll have a bunch of new friends after today. Okay.
And how could we start the morning without that? Look at that. But so we're having my favorite breakfast this morning, and it's really turning out good. Cut up fresh apples, got the honey in there. Just waiting for the apples to get done. But what a cool place. You can see some more. Still got some overlanders. We're filtering all water now. No water goes in my containers, and it's always been that way, but clean water. But down here, filter every drop of water. So I'll be setting that up, and I'll go through how I do that. Alright, getting ready. We'll see you in a bit. Thanks for watching the video. Teddy and I appreciate it. I hope you liked it. If you did, how about a good thumbs up? Maybe pass it on to a friend, comment. And with all that, we'll see you down the road.